with butter and chili. It's so very cheesy. Red eyes, watery mouth. It is so spicy. Just 2 minutes at your table, your evening snacks. Eat it fast, gobble it up and let it go crack, crack, crack. Wow, I think that was a great intro for the chili cheese toast that we are going to make today. Hi cheese lovers, I'm Ishana Sivakumar and you're watching my channel Just Add Knowledge. Today I'm making a yummy, tasty, spicy chili cheese toast with a heavy dip of spiciness and loads of tasty cheese. And before we get started, let me ask you all a riddle. How can you make a mouse to smile? Think about the answer. So let's get started. Moving on to the ingredients, here I have 2 slices of sandwich bread, 50 grams of grated cheese, 50 grams of salted butter, 2 finely chopped chilies, 5 to 6 pieces of garlic cloves finely chopped, and some seasoning. The seasoning is optional. Now let me add the cheese, butter, garlic and chilies to this bowl and mix it thoroughly till we get a uniform mixture. Now take half of the mixture, put it on one side of the bread and spread it evenly. Now if you want, you can sprinkle some seasoning on top of it. Keep the pan in low heat and once it's hot, place the bread into the pan and close it with the lid for 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese slowly melts and flows. In the meantime, do you all know the cheese making process? There are countless types of cheese, each with their own distinct texture and flavor. But all of them start out from one star ingredient, milk. The milk can be from a goat, sheep, cow or buffalo or any obscure type of milk. And you know, it requires 10 liters of milk to make just 1 kilogram of cheese. The milk is prepared, acidified and curdled. The curd is then cut and processed. The whey is drained out, which leaves a mat of cheese curd. The cheese is then cheddared, salted, shaped and aged. This is how we get our cheese. And do you guys know there are more than 1,800 types of cheese around the globe. And the Gruyere cheese from Switzerland has been named the world's best cheese. After the cheese had melted, I have taken it out from the pan and tada! I got my chili cheese toast. I have cut it into 2 halves and I can't wait to eat it. This is so yummy, spicy and cheesy. It's so good. That's for today, and the answer for my riddle, how do you get a mouse to smile, is say cheese. And do try my chili cheese toast and don't forget to leave a comment below. For more photos and videos from me, do follow me on my Insta page, link given in description. Do like, share and subscribe. And until next time, this is me Ishana Sivakumar signing out for today. Toodles!